Hello everyone and welcome to the video. Today we're going to be making my dream sandwich, some crumpets and a drink. Yeah. I will start by opening a pack of bread. It is a Warburton. I will open the bread with one hand. There you go. As you can see, white bread. White bread is tasty. I shall now walk over to get a plate from the cupboard. So here we are, we've got some bread. I like crust. You might not. I'm now walking over to the toaster. Let's toast this baby. So I like to put my toast in for 1.5, whatever that means. Let's toast it. Is it on? Gotta check it's on first. And now let's toast it. As you can see, the toaster is warming up, and it is indeed on. Now to make the Warburton crumpet, I need scissors. I now have scissors. This is very unusual because one crumpet is the wrong way round. That's very unusual. Right. I'm going to open the bag and pull out 2 crumpets. There you go. I'm waiting for the toast. As you can see, the toast is nice and firm and crispy. I'm now going to move the plate with the toast on it so I can get my toppings. Here is my topping, although I'm going to prepare my crumpets first. Here is my topping, although I'm going to prepare my crumpets first. Here is my topping, although I'm going to prepare my crumpets first. Toast them on for the same duration of time. And keep that in mind. So here we go, we have our topping, which is honey. We have our bread. Take your knife, walk over to your bread and open the jar. There we go. So now what you need to do, you need to take your knife and slowly start to spread your topping on to your bread. Join me once I've finished buttering my bread. Whilst I was spreading honey on my bread, the crumpets were ready. Here they are. Yum. Yum. I'll leave that to one side for the moment. So as you can see, I've buttered one slice of my honey bread sandwich creation. I'm now going to press this slice onto the crust, making sure it's nice and firm. I'm going to put that in the centre as we're going to have some garnish around it. Next, take your icing sugar and just dollop that stuff on. This is our secret ingredient. Doesn't that look tasty? Damn. There we go. Like a snowstorm. Once we have finished with our icing sugar, we need to get a garnish for the plate. I will get that. Get your celery and chopping knife and move this away for one side. Make sure you've got all your celery in focus and chop off the end. There we go. We'll ignore that for now. Next, slice up your celery into small pieces. As you can see what I'm doing here. I will join you once all my celery is sliced. So as you can see, all the celery is sliced. It has got some breadcrumbs on it, but we'll ignore that for now. Make your way over to the plate and simply put around the edges of the plate, as you can see I am doing now. And there is your sandwich. However, I am not finished. As you can see, I have some crumpets. Now, obviously, I put them in the toaster, but they're cold now, so I need to put them in the microwave. Microwave your crumpets for about 20 seconds. That should make them warm and rubbery. As you can see, they are nice and hot. So I'm going to put them to one side again. I will now get a second plate from the first cupboard. Here we go. Right, get your two crumpets here and place them as so. We do not need to garnish the crumpets, as crumpets are BTEC sandwiches. Let's get them up. Actually, it's not getting organized. We need to get our butter. There we go. Open butter. I tried open sesame earlier, but it didn't work. There we go. Just open it slightly halfway. Wash up the knife first. Nice hot water to kill the bacteria. We do not want bacteria on our sandwich. There we go. So get some nice cold butter and just put the knife in like so. I'll skip the video until I've buttered the You will rejoin me once I have buttered the crumpets. As you can see, I have buttered the crumpets. I'll wait for that to melt, and then eventually that will look pretty darn good. Our final step to making this cuisine is to make ourselves a drink. I shall make myself a drink. Here we go. Here is Ribena. Open with care. I'll join you in a bit, after I've made my drink. So as you can see by the open lid, I have made myself a drink, and I've subsequently finished the cuisine. Let's walk over to the cuisine, and drum roll please. Ta-da! That's our meal. Please like, share and subscribe. He's not dead, he's just sleeping. Ooh, mystical.